Setting up the HP DeskJet 1255 printer series using USB on a Windows 10 enabled device. This video will highlight the install path for the HP DeskJet 1255 with a USB setup using HP Smart on a Windows 10 enabled device. Begin the physical setup for the printer by removing all packaging as well as the cardboard inserts within the ink tray. Plug the printer into a reliable power source. HP recommends a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn the printer on. Insert both ink cartridges into the carriage. Do not touch the contacts or ink nozzles. Insert paper into the input tray and adjust the paper guides so they rest on the edge of the paper. Open the output tray. On your Windows 10 enabled device, open a browser and go to 123.hp.com to begin the HP Smart setup. Enter the product name in the search field, select your printer, and then click Next. Click Download to install the recommended printer software. The download will appear at the bottom of your screen. When the download is complete, select it and launch the install wizard. Connect the printer to your device using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions, accept the terms and conditions when prompted, then click Continue. The application will search for printers connected to the network. Select your printer and then click Continue. If your printer is not listed in the search results, select My Printer Not Shown to find and select the correct model. HP Easy Start will search for drivers and software for your printer. When prompted, select HP Smart and then click Continue to download the drivers and software. Once the download is complete, HP Smart will launch and prompt you to select your preferences. The printer is now set up and will appear in your list of available printers.